Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. Today in this video I'll show you how I transform this cluttered spot in my kitchen into an organized tea coffee corner. This actually is made out of Ishi's old bed. We transformed it into an oven cabinet. This cabinet used to be in my studio or home office, but I was not able to use the oven so often. Now getting this into kitchen, I'm hopeful that I'll be using my oven more than ever. But if you have seen my earlier makeovers, then you must have noticed that there used to be a tea coffee station in this corner. And that was a very functional spot for our morning routines. So somehow I want to strike a balance between looks and functionality here. So let's get started with the makeover. First thing first, I need to clear the space and start removing everything from this area. Look at all the items that are useful and I'm going to use on daily basis, or what else can be stored somewhere else. Since this cabinet is made out of old wood or MDF, to be honest, I wanted to cover it in some wallpaper. And oh boy, that was a disaster. This wallpaper somehow was not a great quality and it was ripping from everywhere. Plus the surface of the cabinet also was not very smooth. That was another big problem.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat.
The corners were rough in the edge and the adhesive in the wallpaper was not strong enough. So I used some PVA glue to stick the wallpaper. Somehow it feels okay, not perfect at all. I can see so many imperfections, but I think I can live with it. If you're planning to replicate it in your area, do keep a sharp scalpel knife. It will make your life so much easy. Before I had a full oven, this microwave oven was the first of the appliances that we bought after getting married. And I have learned to become a full-on baker using this microwave oven. I have made full 3-tier size cakes in this and so many fond memories, and it's still going very strong. I use this DIY solution for cleaning all the surfaces and it clears all the dust and grime of the kitchen. Just vinegar, dish soap and some warm water is all that you need. With this solution, you can easily clean all the glue marks, all the sticky grime that often gets collected over the top of appliances and cabinets.
Let's meet down at the lonely lake before summer has gone away. Swim out under a broken sky. Cold sun colored with shades of white. Waved goodbye to last summer.
Adding a newspaper on top of the refrigerator will prevent any dust accumulation on the surface of the fridge. Just by removing the newspaper next time when we clean will make my life very easy. One thing that is very good about Mumbai is that we have a sea beach close by, and I always keep this basket ready with all the essentials that we need to go for our beach trips. If you have been enjoying this video, then please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. I make weekly videos on this channel on homemaking, home decorating, and hosting ideas.
Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be hid. You gotta get going. Easy now. You gotta get going. Easy now. Be hard working so you can be deserving.
With a clean slate, it's time to organize. I'll use wooden baskets and shelf risers and clear jars to neatly store our tea and coffee essentials. Clear jars are perfect for coffee and tea because you know when your stock is getting over. Everything is easily accessible, and look how everything has a. This tea bag organizer comes really handy, and I'll place it right above the microwave. Let's add some finishing touches by adding some faux plants, tea towels and artwork to add the charm to this corner. I'm choosing the colors and the themes that resonates with my home. A little bit of greenery and artwork I feel can transform a simple corner into a favorite spot in the kitchen. Don't you think so? If you have watched till here, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. Do not forget to leave your comments. I love reading them. I'll leave you with the final tour and with a promise to see you in my next video. Until next time, bye-bye.
These mountain views and pink sunsets got me shitting skin.